Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. Today I want to tell you about a place I want to visit. China is a large and famous country with a long history, beautiful landscapes, and exciting cities. Many people visit China every year to see its famous places, eat delicious food, and learn about its culture. A place I want to visit, China. There are many beautiful countries in the world, but the place I want to visit the most is China. China is a large and famous country with a long history, beautiful landscapes, and exciting cities. Many people visit China every year to see its famous places, eat delicious food, and learn about its culture. I have read books and watched videos about China, and I dream of visiting this amazing country one day. Why I want to visit China? I want to visit China because it has many historical landmarks, modern cities, natural wonders, and unique traditions. China is one of the oldest civilizations in the world, and it has many famous places to see. It is also known for delicious food, traditional festivals, and friendly people. I also love Chinese culture. I enjoy learning about Chinese history, calligraphy, martial arts, and tea culture. I think China is a country full of surprises, and I want to experience its beauty with my own eyes. Famous places I want to visit in China. China is a very big country with many places to visit. Here are some of the most famous places I want to see. 1. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is over 13,000 miles long and was built to protect China from invaders. I want to walk on the Great Wall, take pictures, and enjoy the beautiful views of the mountains. 2. The Forbidden City in Beijing. The Forbidden City is a huge ancient palace in Beijing. It was the home of Chinese emperors for over 500 years. The palace has many red buildings, golden roofs, and beautiful gardens. I want to see the amazing architecture and learn more about China's royal history. 3. The Terracotta Army in Xi'an. The Terracotta Army is a collection of thousands of life-sized clay soldiers. These statues were built to protect Emperor Qin Shi Huang in the afterlife. Each statue has a unique face and uniform. I want to see these statues and learn about their history. 4. Shanghai, the modern city. Shanghai is one of the most modern and exciting cities in China. It has tall skyscrapers, shopping malls, and famous landmarks. The Bund is a famous street in Shanghai where you can see old and new buildings together. I want to visit the Oriental Pearl Tower and see the amazing city view. 5. Chengdu, the home of pandas. Chengdu is famous for giant pandas. The Chengdu Research Base of giant panda breeding is a place where pandas live and are protected. I want to see cute pandas, learn about how they live. and take pictures with them. 6. Guilin, beautiful mountains and rivers. Guilin is famous for its karst mountains and Li River. Many people say that Guilin has the most beautiful scenery in China. I want to take a boat trip on the Li River and enjoy the peaceful nature. 7. Zhangjiajie, the floating mountains. Zhangjiajie National Park has tall rock pillars that look like floating mountains. These mountains inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. I want to walk on the glass bridge and see the amazing views from above. 8. Hong Kong, the shopping and food paradise. Hong Kong is a lively city known for its shopping, food, and skyline. It has Victoria Peak, where you can see the whole city from above. I want to try dim sum, visit Disneyland Hong Kong, and explore the city's night markets. 9. Hangzhou, the city of tea and West Lake. Hangzhou is famous for West Lake, a beautiful lake with gardens, temples, and bridges. It is also famous for Longjing tea, one of the best teas in China. I want to drink tea. Take a boat ride on West Lake and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Chinese food I want to try. China is famous for its delicious and diverse food. Every region has its own special dishes. Some of the foods I want to try are Peking duck, a famous dish from Beijing with crispy skin and sweet sauce. Dumplings, jiaozi, small dough pockets filled with meat or vegetables. Hot pot, a fun dish where you cook meat and vegetables in a boiling soup. Chow mein, stir-fried noodles with meat and vegetables. Baozi, soft steamed buns filled with meat or sweet paste. Sweet and sour pork, fried pork in a sweet and sour sauce. Mooncakes, special round pastries eaten during the Mid-Autumn Festival. I also want to visit local food markets and try street food like stinky tofu, scallion pancakes, and sugar-coated fruit sticks. Festivals in China. China has many colorful and exciting festivals. Some famous ones are Chinese New Year, Spring Festival, the biggest festival in China with dragon dances, fireworks, and family gatherings. Mid-Autumn Festival, a festival to celebrate the full moon and eat mooncakes. Dragon Boat Festival, a festival with boat races and special rice dumplings called zongzi. Lantern Festival, a festival where people light lanterns and eat sweet rice balls. I want to visit China during these festivals to experience the beautiful decorations, traditions, and celebrations. How I plan to visit China. Visiting China is my dream, and I am planning for it. To make my dream come true, I need to 1. Save money. Traveling to China can be expensive, so I need to save money for the trip. 2. Learn some Chinese phrases. I want to learn simple Chinese words to communicate with people. 3. Get a passport and visa. I need to check if I need a visa to visit China. 4. Plan my itinerary. I will make a list of places I want to visit and things I want to do. 5. Book a flight and hotel. I need to find a good place to stay during my trip. My dream of visiting China. Visiting China will be a dream come true for me. I want to explore historical landmarks, see natural wonders, eat delicious food, and experience Chinese culture. China is a country full of history, beauty, and excitement. I hope that one day, I will be able to visit China and make unforgettable memories. Until then, I will keep learning and preparing for my future trip to China. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.